Mode of nutrition in plant.
Mom, could you please tell me where are the food factories of plants located? And how do plants obtain the raw materials from the surroundings?
Dear, let me clear all your doubts. The synthesis of food in plants occurs in leaves. Thus, leaves are the food factories of plants. Let us discuss how raw materials reach the leaf for preparing food. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves by the vessels, which run like pipes. Water from soil moves through the root, stem, branches, and finally reaches at the leaves. Minerals form a continuous path or passage for the nutrients to reach the leaf. The surface of leaf has minute pores called as stomata. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Carbon dioxide gas is taken from air through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. The process of photosynthesis can be represented as an equation given here. Water and carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrate and oxygen. Dear, I think all your doubts must have been cleared.
Yes, Mom, you are absolutely right.